Today we're going to be doing discovery number 16 and discovery number 17. Discovery number 16, guard the room. Create a program to allow the Explorer 3 to constantly move back and forth in front of your bedroom door. This could just be on front of one of the desks that we have here, as if it's guarding it. Here's figure 3 or 5.8. Okay, it goes forward and it turns around, goes back, and it turns around, goes back, and it does this in a loop. Use one loop block in unlimited mode, a move steering block to move forward, and another move steering to turn around. So it's just two move steering and a loop. So go ahead and do Discovery 16, and then I will show you what it looks like if you complete it correctly. Here we have Discovery 16, the guard robot. Should go straight, turn around, and go back. And then it should loop doing that over and over again. So go ahead, now you try it. Discovery 17 is the triangle. All right, so you create a program to make the robot drive in square shaped patterns. How can you modify the one square program that we made to drive in a triangle shaped pattern? All right, and then a hexagon. So you're going to do two things here. You're going to create a pattern where it goes into a triangle shape using a loop block and the move steering blocks. And then you're going to have a pattern where it goes in a hexagon shape. Use additional loop blocks to repeat each shape 5 times. So you have 5 triangles, 5 hexagons. In discovery number 2 on page 39, you found the number of degrees that the wheels would turn to have the robot move a 180-degree turn. Can you use that value to calculate the amount of degrees required for a 120-degree turn so that the robot can drive in a triangle pattern? All right, so Discovery 17, you're going to make a triangle-shaped pattern that it repeats 5 times. You're going to make a hexagon-shaped pattern that it repeats 5 times. So go ahead and do that, and I will show you what it looks like if it's completed correctly. So let's take a look at the triangle program. I'm only going to do one triangle, but you're going to create a loop that creates 5 triangles. So there's one triangle. Now this was from the one square program, so it played a tone, it created the one triangle, and then it did goodbye at the end. You're going to create a loop so it does it 5 times. Now let's look at the hexagon program. This should have 6 sides on it. So I created it like I created the one triangle or the one square, where you play a tone first, and then it does 6 sides, and then it stops and says goodbye, but then you're going to do another 5 times with the loop, create 5 loops. So that was a hexagon. It had 6 sides and came back to the beginning. So now you go ahead and create your triangle program with 5 loops and your hexagon program with 5 loops.